This 2019 Keystone Impact 3118 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, external shower, air conditioning, skylight, smoke detector, LP detector, microwave, slide out, and 104 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Keystone Impact 3118 is 8,394 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.